practice section for the skill, explain the meaning of the adage proverb. I had a 2-page slides that were set up to be printed on 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. And this is the note that I left for the other teachers, letting them know that it's 2 pages of notes. This is the second page. The directions that are on the page, I added, I should probably fix my quotation here so that it's with what it should be. And then telling them that there's 2 examples that are done. I felt like the examples not only were important to the students, but if I'm going to share this, being able to show someone else, this is how I envision this being used with the students, helps them out so that it's actually a useful resource rather than having something, it looks good on paper, but then when you get into it, you get lost trying to figure out exactly what the student should be doing. And then I gave directions. This is how I would use it. Is that how anyone else needs to use it? No, not necessarily, because I'm giving them a copy that they can edit, but letting them know in my classroom, this is how I would use it. And I would use it as a think, draw, share, and even giving direct, like I gave them 5 minutes with verbal notes like, hey, now that you've worked on that one for a little bit, why don't you try another one of these adages or proverbs? Draw a picture, write what you think it means. I love a time limit. Gives them time to think about everything. It's okay if they're wrong, because then you're going to go over it as a whole class and find what everything means. If I was physically in a class, I would present it up on the board and draw and write on it, or I can share my screen and we can do that in a virtual classroom. And again, they can make a copy here. This is also linked so that they can make a copy of these slides.